There are 8 types of nouns: common noun, proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, compound noun, and collective noun. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. Singular noun refers to one place, person, thing, or idea. For example, boat, lion, monkey. Whereas plural noun refers to more than one place, person, thing, or idea. For example, babies, horses, cats. Common noun. Common nouns name non-specific places, people, and things. For example, boy, country, animal. Proper noun. Proper noun names a specific place, person, or thing. For example, Emily, England, January. Concrete noun. Concrete noun refers to people or things that exist physically and can be perceived with one of your senses. For example, building, bridge, tree. Abstract noun. Abstract nouns have no physical existence. They refer to ideas, emotions, and concepts. For example, fear, time, freedom. Countable noun. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted as separate units. They have a singular and plural form. For example, cup, bike, apples. When using the singular form, you want to add a or an before the noun, and when using the plural form, you can just add a number. For example, 2 apples. Uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are nouns that can't be counted as separate units. They only have a singular form. For example, liquids, music, gas. Compound noun. Compound nouns are made up of 2 or more smaller words that create a noun. For example, notebook, toothpaste, friendship. Collective noun. Collective nouns refers to a group of people, animals, or things. For example, audience, army, crowd.